What if the real reason money never feels enough is not inflation, bad luck, or low income, but habits repeated every single day without noticing? Across years of observing business leaders, investors, founders, and people who quietly built long-term wealth, one pattern keeps repeating. Financial success does not come from secret tricks, viral ideas, or sudden breakthroughs. It grows from simple habits repeated consistently over time. In this video, we shall share the top 8 money habits of financially successful people. These habits are practical, realistic, and proven across industries and income levels. Each one focuses on behavior that compounds quietly in the background. Understanding these habits is not about becoming rich overnight. It is about building a system that works year after year. 1. Financially successful people automate money before spending begins. Financially successful people design systems that work without constant attention. Automation removes emotion, excuses, and delay from money decisions. When income arrives, a portion immediately moves toward investments and savings. Spending only happens with what remains. This order matters because it forces discipline without stress. This habit protects consistency during busy months, low-energy periods, or emotional times. Manual investing depends on motivation, and motivation is unreliable. Automation keeps progress moving even when focus shifts elsewhere. Over time, this creates a strong investing rhythm that feels effortless. Another benefit is reduced mental load. There is no repeated decision about whether to invest this month. The decision was already made once. This frees mental energy for better choices in career, health, and relationships. Automation turns good intentions into permanent behavior. 2. Successful people track savings rate instead of chasing higher income. Financially successful people care less about how much money comes in and more about how much they actually control. Income alone does not build wealth. The savings rate shows what remains after expenses and reveals real financial discipline. A high income with poor savings creates pressure, anxiety, and dependency on the next paycheck. A lower income with strong savings creates stability, flexibility, and confidence. Tracking the savings rate brings awareness very quickly. Within a few weeks, spending patterns become obvious. Certain expenses repeat every month. Certain periods quietly drain money. This visibility removes guesswork. Adjustments become easier because the problem areas are clear. Small changes in habits start making a visible difference. The savings rate also provides direction. Increasing it by even a few percentage points can move financial goals years closer. It encourages thoughtful spending rather than extreme restriction. Over time, the savings rate becomes one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. It accelerates progress while keeping stress low and decisions intentional. 3. Wealth builders keep lifestyle growth slower than income growth. Lifestyle inflation is one of the biggest threats to long-term wealth. As income rises, spending often rises faster. Financially successful people resist this pattern intentionally. They increase lifestyle slowly and selectively, not automatically. This habit keeps fixed costs under control. Lower fixed costs mean more flexibility during downturns or transitions. It also reduces financial anxiety, even at higher income levels. Comfort increases, but pressure does not. Money saved from controlled lifestyle growth flows into assets instead of liabilities. Investments grow quietly while others struggle to maintain appearances. Over time, this creates a gap between looking rich and being secure. Quiet wealth forms when expenses stay reasonable despite rising income. 4. Financially successful people buy value, not low prices. Financially successful people understand that smart spending is not about choosing the cheapest option. It is about getting real value in return for money spent. Every purchase is viewed as an investment in time, comfort, health, or productivity. Emotion is kept out of the decision as much as possible. Long-term usefulness matters more than short-term excitement. A higher quality item that lasts longer, performs better, or saves time often proves cheaper in the long run. In contrast, low-priced items that break, disappoint, or need frequent replacement slowly drain money without adding value. This perspective changes how purchases are evaluated. Value-based spending also reduces regret. Fewer impulse buys mean fewer unused products and abandoned subscriptions. Money gets directed toward things that truly improve daily life. Over time, spending becomes intentional and satisfying rather than reactive. Confidence grows as financial choices align with purpose. Instead of creating clutter and frustration, money supports quality of life, efficiency, and long-term stability. 5. Wealthy people think in long time frames while others chase fast results. Wealthy people approach money with a long-range mindset. Financial plans are built around 5, 10, and even 20-year horizons. This way of thinking creates stability and protects against emotional reactions to short-term events. Daily market movements, news headlines, and temporary setbacks lose their influence when long-term goals remain clear and unchanged. The early years of investing often feel slow and unrewarding. Progress looks small, and results test patience. This phase discourages many people and pushes them to quit too soon. Those who stay consistent allow time to do the heavy lifting. Compounding needs years before its impact becomes visible. Once it does, growth often accelerates faster than expected. Long-term thinking also leads to better decisions. Choices align with future outcomes rather than immediate feelings. Panic selling becomes rare. Constant switching between strategies disappears. Confidence grows because actions follow a plan, not emotions. Over time, patience turns into an advantage. Time shifts from being a source of frustration to becoming the strongest ally in building lasting wealth. 6. Successful people use early career years as a wealth accelerator. Early career years offer a rare advantage that disappears quickly if ignored. Fewer responsibilities, higher adaptability, and faster learning speed create a powerful opportunity. Financially successful people recognize this phase as a foundation-building period, not a comfort zone. Decisions made during these years carry long-term impact. During this stage, income growth, skill development, and investing move together. New skills increase earning potential. Controlled expenses free up cash for savings and investments. Even small monthly investments matter because time multiplies results. Mistakes made early cost less and often turn into valuable lessons rather than lasting damage. This focused effort builds momentum that compounds for decades. People who delay often face heavy pressure later in life when responsibilities increase and flexibility decreases. Using early career years wisely reduces future stress and increases options. Early discipline creates financial breathing room, career flexibility, and long-term confidence. 7. Financially successful people slow down thinking before money decisions. Fast decisions often lead to losses. Fast reactions are usually driven by emotion, not logic. Fear pushes people to sell at the worst time. Excitement pushes people to buy without enough information. Wealthy individuals understand that money decisions made in emotional moments rarely work out well. By inserting a pause, clarity improves. Time allows emotions to cool and facts to surface. A market drop feels less threatening after a day of reflection. A tempting purchase looks less necessary after the excitement fades. This space between thought and action protects long-term progress. Slowing down also encourages analysis. Questions replace reactions. What changed? Is the risk real or temporary? Does this decision align with long-term goals? Many decisions that felt urgent lose importance after reflection, which prevents unnecessary losses. A simple waiting rule strengthens this habit. Major purchases, investments, or financial commitments wait at least 24 hours. This delay separates impulse from intention. Over time, fewer rushed decisions lead to fewer regrets. Consistency improves, confidence grows, and financial progress becomes smoother and more predictable. 8. Successful people build a healthy relationship with money. Financially successful people treat money as a tool, not a measure of worth. Money supports goals, freedom, and values. It does not define identity or status. Financially successful people do not tie confidence, respect, or identity to bank balances. This separation creates emotional stability and clearer thinking. When money is not chased emotionally, anxiety drops. Decisions become calmer and more deliberate. Fear of missing out fades, and pressure to compete with others disappears. Learning replaces panic, and patience replaces urgency. This mindset prevents reckless spending during emotional highs and desperate decisions during stressful periods. A healthy relationship with money also creates balance. Discipline exists, but obsession does not. Awareness exists, but constant worry does not. Money receives regular attention through planning, tracking, and review without becoming a daily source of stress. Over time, money turns into a reliable support system. It helps fund opportunities, protect against uncertainty, and create peace of mind instead of constant tension. These 8 habits work best together. Automation builds consistency. Savings rate drives speed. Lifestyle control preserves gains. Value-based spending eliminates waste. Long-term thinking protects patience. Early effort multiplies outcomes. Slow thinking avoids mistakes. A healthy mindset keeps everything aligned. Progress matters more than perfection. Start with one habit. Build it until it feels normal. Then move to the next. If this video helped, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more practical money content. Thanks for watching. I shall see you in the next video.